Tea-Vea, and we back closer to the lighthouse, as you can see. See that nice sun in there with it. We got the maritime sentinels. Primary seacoast lights were located to warn mariners of the proximity of their proximity to land, areas of danger, and to help set their course. Sandy Hook and Naveskin twin lights mark the entrance to New York Harbor. Cape May and Cape Henlopen lighthouses mark the entrance to the Delaware Bay. By 1852, lighthouses and lightships often looked so much alike that it was difficult to distinguish one from another. Today, each lighthouse has a characteristic or coded sequence of light flashes, making it possible for a mariner to identify the light and its location along the coast. For example, Barnegat Light's characteristic was a flash every 10 seconds at each point of the compass. Each lighthouse is also designed or painted in a distinctive pattern called the day mark, which makes it easy to identify it by day. Absecon Lighthouse is painted yellow, black, and yellow, so mariners will not mistake it for any other lighthouse. Some lighthouses, especially those located on dangerous shoals, are also equipped with fog signals to warn mariners of potential danger. All right, after all of that reading, we got pictures of the Sandy Hook Lighthouse Gateway in New Jersey, the Naveskin Twin Lighthouse in Highlands, New Jersey, Cape Henlopen Lighthouse, Delaware. Plagued for nearly a century and a half by erosion and shifting sands, a severe storm toppled the old lighthouse. This is a picture of it on April 13th of 1926. The Absecon Lighthouse in Atlantic City, New Jersey. I was just there like an hour or two ago. And the Barnegat Lighthouse in Long Beach Island, New Jersey. This is the one where we're at right now. The Cape May Lighthouse in Cape May, New Jersey. See what they got going on in here. For y'all to check out any information, hours of operation. Last climb is 15 minutes before closing. Let me try to get in there. Alright, so some history on the Cape May Lighthouse. Welcome to the Cape May Lighthouse. For almost 2 centuries, a lighthouse beacon has stood here at the southern tip of New Jersey, guarding the entrance to the Delaware Bay. The present tower was constructed in 1859, standing 157.5 feet tall. It is the third lighthouse on this site, replacing earlier structures built in 1823 and 1847. Listed on the National Register of Historic Places, the present lighthouse is owned by the State of New Jersey, Division of Parks, and the Department of Environmental Protection, and is still operated by the U.S. Coast Guard as an active aid to navigation since December of 1986. The Cape May Lighthouse has been leased to the Mid-Atlantic Center for the Arts and Humanities, MAC, a nonprofit organization located nearby in Cape May. MAC has assumed the responsibility of restoring the lighthouse, interpreting it as a historic site, and opening it to the general public. Now I may begin my lighthouse visit at the Oil House, which contains orientation exhibit and the Lighthouse Museum shop. We'll get there. 9 to 5, Big Tea-Vea, and I'm out. We're gonna keep going. Big Tea-Vea, and I'm out. Alright, Big Tea-Vea, and I'm about to go up in there and walk my way up there. Different donations and everything. People that donated along the bricks. Big Tea-Vea, and I'm back. Had to pay for everything. Didn't want to get that on camera. Some fun facts about the May Lighthouse. Did let you know how tall it was, which is the lighthouse is 157 feet. And it's 6 inches tall. Let me see something. From the ground at the top of the ventilator to the bell on the top. All right. And then how many steps are there to the top? 199. And we're gonna walk every single one of them, and you'll see every single one of them. Oh, you gotta be in shape to do this. Walking up this whole structure. The tower construction. I'm not even nowhere near to the top yet. This is a view outside of it, what point I'm at right now. All right, let's back to the walking. If you can see the brick. We're up a little higher. There's the beach area, Cape May. I was just boardwalk, but I didn't want to get no footage of that. My time that I spend with my fam. Alright. The buildings of the U.S. Life Saving Service at Cape May Point Station. Them waves are wild out there now. Alright, let's go. It's a lot more to go. That's what I didn't want to see. Got up this high. Gotta keep it moving. This side of everything. That's what this is talking about, that stretch right there. Erosion. The different effects of the weather did to this. Excuse me. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. Almost there. Well, it's a lot more. Clockwork system. To rotate the light. This view. Tea-Vea, the whole heart is still holding up. Let's get up there. See that? We're almost there. Old windows.
Appreciate that.
Let me let these people go. How you doing?
Oh, here we go.